Hey, I'm Jim from Champion of Breakfast, and today we're making bacon. I'm going to show you a really good hack for making anywhere from 1 to 6 slices of bacon, and especially if you like crisp bacon, it's a good way to do it. So let's look at how we do this. What I have here is I'm using half sheets of paper towels, as you can see, which is kind of a nice way to save paper towels. And we're going to make 3 slices. So I have 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, and then I'm going to put one on top, okay? And keep one to the side like this. So here's what we got. We got that, and we're going to put 3 strips of bacon. I'm going to cook 3 strips of bacon. And what's interesting when you're cooking bacon, one of the problems or challenges is that different manufacturers cut it differently, and even different batches of the same manufacturer will cut it differently. So I'm just opened a new package of a brand that I have never used before, although it's good bacon, and I can see it's cut very thin. So thinner bacon's going to cook faster, but which basically I'll tell you how we solve that problem of the inconsistency of different bacon. So now I'm going to fold this over because this is going to splatter all over the place. And I'm going to put this into the microwave at 45 seconds per slice. So 45, a minute and a half, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And it's probably not going to get done, but it'll be to a point where we can judge how much more it's going to need to cook. So let's put it in the microwave here. Just put it in with all the bottom sheets to cover because it does release some grease. And we're going to say 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay, so our 2 minutes and 15 seconds are up. Let's open it up and see what we got here. So you can see inside, these are pretty done. Those are pretty darn close. I'm going to put it in for another 15 seconds here. All right, I actually ended up giving these 30 seconds extra. So let's take a look now and see how they are. And those are done. They're not quite as crispy as they could be, but they look nice and done. So we'll leave it at that. So we put them on the plate here, and they stick a little bit sometimes to the paper towel, but it's not a big deal. And one thing I would recommend that you do is use this extra piece of paper towel that I set aside, and while the microwave is still warm, wipe off your tray. And you can see you get a little bit of the oil that seep through the paper towels. Amazing as it is, it gets through all those layers of paper towels. And that way you won't have to clean your microwave later when it's all hard and more difficult to clean. So that's a quick hack, and again, you can do 1 to 6 slices with this. I know it uses a lot of paper towels, but cooking bacon is kind of a no-win situation. If you do it in a pan, it's going to be messy and you're going to have a bunch of grease to deal with. So this way I found to be really easy, simple, easy cleanup, and very, very consistent in how you make your bacon. That's all I got today, so I'll see you next time.